Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Lightspeed Retail for Omnichannel sales reporting detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure Lightspeed Retail for Omnichannel sales reporting, start by logging into your Lightspeed account. Navigate to the Settings section on your dashboard. Select the Integrations tab to view available options. Look for the Omnichannel integration feature and click on it. Enable the integration by toggling the switch to the on position. Next, connect your sales channels by selecting the platforms you want to include. Follow the prompts to authorize each sales channel with your Lightspeed account. Once connected, make sure to set your preferences for data synchronization. Adjust the settings for how often you want sales data to update. Now, head to the Reports section from your main menu. Select Sales Reports to access the reporting features. Customize your report settings to include the specific data you wish to analyze. Choose the date range for your sales report for a more tailored view. After setting the parameters, generate the report to see your results. Review the report to ensure all sales channels are reporting accurately. If any discrepancies arise, revisit the integration settings to troubleshoot. Periodically check and refine your reporting settings as needed. Finally, save your customized settings for future use. Congratulations, you have successfully configured Lightspeed Retail for Omnichannel sales reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.